Hey guys, it's Lola and I'm crafting on a budget. I saw this sign at the Dollar Tree, listen to the birds and relax. I thought it was so cute. I peeled it off the chipboard and I'm going to add this to a portfolio that I'm working on, 12 by 12, and I thought this would make a cute front cover. Anyway, what I want to show you guys, if my recording will allow me while I got it, is this little toilet roll mini. Yes, yes. It was made out of toilet rolls, flattened, covered, and decorated, and the little, see, it's a I think it's 4 by 6, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's the measurements. So, yes, a toilet roll. I think it's too much light. Let me see if I can, well, hold up. I need some of the light, just not all of it. Hold on, guys, let me get this together. That's still too bright. Let me see if I turn it off. Well, we're going to have to do with that because it's showing the portfolio. So I got them covered. This is one that I'm going to keep. That's me. Daddy is holding me in 1964. Ooh. So this is cute. I am going to be doing a full tutorial. I'm going to try to. I added this extra, but the toilet roll is right here. And we got pullouts in each one of them. There are pullouts. And oh, actually I made this little booklet with some paper that I did cover the toilet rolls with. So the toilet rolls have been covered, but even if they're not covered in paper, you still got the cardstock. So I made this little booklet for this little mini. And I'll put that back in. And then, like I said, I added on each 4 rows. So on each toilet roll, I added, this has been added too in the middle. I did add that. But I added the little things you can pull out, and it's got little pockets in it. So you're gonna have to cut get your pictures. You're gonna have to cut them down in order to fit them here. And then I got a pocket here that's holding a card that you can journal on. So this is so cute, guys. I'm always keeping things, and yeah, I got a whole bunch of toilet rolls that I'm not doing anything with, that I've seen tutorials on, but I'm really not interested in them. But when I seen this from one of the UK ladies, I think Britain or UK, and this is a tuck spot. So in other words, you can tuck something underneath. Wait a minute. So you can tuck something underneath here. So this little mini album, like I said, it is 2, 4, it's 4.5. 4.5, I'm sorry, I gave you the wrong, 4.5. This is 4.5 by 3. This is not the smallest I made, but this is so darling and so cute. Look at that. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial on it. I just came in, I had my stretch class today, and I did laundry, and I just wanted to show you guys this little sneak peek on the little album I've been making. I have been working on Valentine's stuff too, so I haven't done a tutorial in a minute, but I wanted to show you. It's got 4 signatures, and then like I said, I did this middle insert. Where is it at? Right here. This middle insert, which the picture's used as a pocket, so you can put something in that too. So yeah, this is me. Daddy's holding me back in 1964. Wow, I'm the baby girl. It was 6 of us, 3 boys and 3 girls. Now, I'm the oldest. The sisters have gone on. They got their wings. Breast cancer took one, and aneurysm took the other one. And so I'm going to use this and have pictures in it, just, childhood pictures, just really special pictures for myself, you know, something I can carry on, pass on to my daughter or my son. Yeah, so anyway, I wanted to share this little mini with you guys. Again, it's 4.5 by 3. Yes. Decorated toilet rolls. Literally, yes. See? And they come all the way out. See? And there's a pocket there. I literally, now this is not a toilet roll. This is just the paper. Decorative toilet rolls. All of them come out. They come out and they go in. They all come out. Some of them come out. Well, yeah, this one I had come out this way. And then go back in. Like that. So they all got that added. I saw this on, I think, the added part, I think I saw this on Rosa Kelly. I seen her video and I saw, I think it's Miss Helen from the UK. I believe it is because I love a lot of her videos and stuff. I look at Polly Paper Studio. She's good. Crafting with Deanna. She's excellent. And so many. And I'm going to tell you this. Some of the videos I've been looking at, we're talking about 8 and 10 years ago. So it's nothing new under the sun, as we say. There's nothing new under the sun. We're taking their ideas and we're using them. Everybody's using everybody's ideas, making it their own, and it's okay. It's on YouTube. Okay? So you guys have a blessed day. Bye. I'll see you soon. I'm going to get all my materials together for the tutorial, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.